Good morning or afternoon, depending on when you are watching this. I wanted to go over how you complete today's assignments. So I have already clicked into the data analysis for today. You are going to have to analyze the data that you collected last Friday before you can try to answer our big guiding question, which is what characteristics classify a substance as an element or compound. And to correctly analyze your data, you need to look at the data collection double check that you should have opened before you even worked your way to the data analysis. So I have that open in a separate tab right here. So this is the data collection double check. So on Friday, if you were struggling to collect some data or you are not sure whether the data you collected is correct, then you can reference this data collection double check with data that I gathered, and you can use this to try and piece together your analysis. It has lots of characteristics of elements, lots of characteristics of compounds, and there's little stars right here, meaning it's how many times that data appeared when I was looking at the cards or the stations on Friday. So you have to look at all of your collected data and identify similarities and differences between elements and compounds and complete a Venn diagram within a Google Doc. So you'll, like normal, open up the Google Doc in a separate tab by clicking that blue link. And there is one thing that is a little different when you are trying to type into this document. You are going to have to, sorry about that bell, you guys. In order to edit this, you are going to have to click it, and it should pop up a box right here that says editing that you can click down and click editing. But the best way to do it is when you are clicked into it, you scroll down, there's this edit button right here, and it automatically pops up for you. So that's the best way. So what you do is then you can click into it. You can't type into your Venn diagram unless you are in this edit button and it pops up this drawing box. So I am going to type into my Venn diagram and analyze my data while clicking back to this tab, my data collection double check, and make sure that I've got a bunch of good information trying to piece it apart. So I don't write everything down into my Venn diagram. I just write what I find there was a lot of, or something that is highly important that came up multiple times. So anything with a star means it came up more than once. So I'm probably going to put that on my data analysis. So I see there's 3 stars right here, 2 or more of the same atoms joined. So I'm going to want to put that in here. 2 or more of the same atoms joined. And I'll click enter and it'll already give me a bullet point. It says represented by a chemical symbol. This one was chemical formula. So I'm going to put represented by a chemical symbol. All right, let's see what else there was. Pure substance pops up on elements, but it also pops up over here on compounds. So if both of them are pure substances and there's a star, meaning it came up more than once, then I'm going to put that right here. They're both pure substances. Let's see what else. Oh, for compounds, I see 2 or more different elements chemically joined, which is similar to this one, 2 different elements joined. This one's a little more descriptive, so I'm going to type this one, 2 or more different elements chemically joined under my compound side, because that came up several times. 2 or more different elements chemically joined. Enter. What else? What else? Oh, the star for represented by chemical formulas. Let's put that. Represented by chemical formulas. That's important. And there's some other information in here, and you're more than welcome to add it. Like, I like that it says it's organized on the periodic table because I've seen the periodic table before. So I want to add that over here. I think that might be relevant. Organized on the periodic table. I think that might be important. So anything that you see in this data collection double check, which hopefully you have open in a separate tab so you can go back and forth between the two, you can add what you would like to your data analysis. Don't go crazy and add too much, but something with a star is definitely super important and should probably be on your Venn diagram. And anything else you're welcome to add if you feel that it is super important, like, oh, forms molecules of the same kind of atom, forms molecules of two or more different atoms. You can be as descriptive as you'd like. But when you are done, like, oh, they're both made of atoms. I might put that. I could piece that together. So when you are done typing everything that you want into your data analysis Venn diagram, then you have to click Save and Close. And now it's in there, what I typed, and you no longer need to be in this tab. You go back to your Canvas assignment in the data analysis Canvas assignment, and you should see the blue Submit Assignment button. So go ahead and click that. And that is all that you are doing today, is submitting your data analysis using your data collection double check. If you have questions, please send me an email. Let me know so I can try to help you out. But other than that, I hope you guys make good choices and have a great day. Bye.